AJ Kaminga, bawal ang magharutan. There's a penalty place. Let's go! First possession, the Hunters. Agawan ni Chabrizi, pink na pink. Boom! First ball, foul on number 22, Hurtado! Yang kinabang na yan eh. First shot. JR, no good. To Watson, to Hurtado, guarded by Chabrizi. Diwa, libre-libre! Tayo'y magdiwa. RB with the ball. Passing to Jay. Jay, tall and lucky and getting to RB coming up for 3 points is good. Shout out kay Ate Marifel. Good morning. I hope your day is good. No good for the beard. Rebound Hurtado, same possession. Adam Smith. No good. Jay. Tegeliana. 1, 2. Upward. Outside. Red ball. Red ball. Ang nanalo ng championship last year. Led to you by Chris Almoite. Diwa. Nabitawan ng Milo. RB with the ball to Jake. Underestimated his length. Matangkad si Jake pero hindi ganun katangkad tayo. Sean the Beard, guarded by the Beard. Diwa, blocked by Chabrizi. Nice and clean defense. Kamingal, guarded by Hurtado. Naagawan, binitawan, Watson, dire-diretso with Jake. 2 points! Watson, ayaw gumiti. Ngiti ka naman. I like that. Chabrizi. To Kamingal for another 3. No good. It is not. Kamingal naagaw ang bola. JR natapon ang kanyang Milo. Fresh sa Pilipinas. Kamandag ng mga Ilocano. Watson setting the play to Sean the Beard to Diwa. Fade away, it's good. Pasok. Happy ang mga mami. Kamingal to JR to Chabrizi. Mahirap naman si Chabrizi. Kitang-kita. Diwa. Pushing. Foul. Bye. Sino naka-foul? Si Jake. Jake, raise your hand if you commit a foul. Long leg. And here's the play. Good deal out of the rebound. Kamingal. To Chabrizi. Nakabelo, Pusibelo. 1, 2. Layup is good. Here's the pick. Sean, diretso to Hurtado. Jump. No good on boarding. Rebound. Jake to Kamingal. Kamingal naghahanap to Ryan. Chabrizi, Ryan naghahanap ng screen. Binigyan ni Jake. Binigay kay MJ.
Nice!
Butter. That was a shot clock ball. Shot clock. Nauna pa shot clock.
Pwede mo na siguro. Papasok ka. Walang hindi ko nito.
Shot clock.
Ito nag-pass.
Sapo tayo. Para na.
Ano ba yung owner pass o ano? Kuya, o siya let them decide. Kuya, let them decide. Kuya, let them decide. Mag-referee ka na lang.
Back off po muna tayo. Back off, back off. Stance, back off, stance. Teka lang po, teka lang po.
Kaya ang tanong ko ba't kasi andyan ka? Hindi, ang tanong ko, absent ka.
Teka lang, back. Coaches only, coaches only, coaches. Coach, ref. Coaches only muna, coaches. Captains muna, captains muna. Captains and coaches.
Pero kuya,
Captains, captains and coaches only sa stand. Teka lang. Tama na ba? Captains and coaches muna, captains and coaches. Ref, decide.
sob, rep, sob. Kasalanan ni Barry.
Upo muna tayo.
Sabihin mo, wala naman natin. Basket good. Sob, kuya.
Basket is good. And people error.
Game.
People error. Tama na.
Ano, forfeit na?
Sino yung nakapagod niya?
6 minutes kayo kanina yun.
Tama yun. JR.
Malamig na ako.
Ang layo naman. Good. 6 seconds. Tama na. Maki, iti-play namin after 6 seconds. Ikaw na magbilang ng AJ. Sigaw mo. 1, 2,
Kuya, sab.
7, 6.
Sob.
Substitution. Wala. Pagpasakang dalawa. Lapit ko dito ang magpapasag. Pero huwag niyo harangan ng camera.
Hey, papasok siya. Harap ka muna, Paul.
Dito kayo yung magpapasag. Lapit lang. New.
Bang.
Pasok ang substitution sa Zat. Miggy in! Patrick, walang kahapon, in! Patrick in!
Ay, labas na! Technical.
Walang stop. Na-shoot na second throw sa kalang shot.
Breathing lang tayo, no good pa rin. Pauling to Brice Almoyte, sumugod, binigay na yun din, another three, no good, Diwa, rebound, Miggy, get the ball, Patrick. Ada, magkatawa ng Milo. Pauling, diretso, sumugod, nag-layup, no good, rebound na si Diwa. Diwa. Naghanap, nabitawan, nakuha ni Pauling. Kenzo, Uzami, nagpapuliyat sa puso. Diretso kay Chris. Masyado na nangyara. Miggy with the ball.
Sir, stop.
Chris Almoite, labas kay AJ. Binato, no good. Rebound, Adam. To Miggy. Miggy being cheered by the mummies. Miggy for 3, no good. Rebound to Breezy. Chaburger, pink na pink. Foul! Patrick, Bruce, James, George. Substitution.
Hold tap in.
Sab, okay lang ba magpasab? Okay lang ba magpasab? Yan. Faisal Moite. Kuya Elmer. Elmer. With his usual. Bitin! Hindi effective ang cooling therapy. 50 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Miggy setting play. 3 seconds ball. Seconds remaining. Aaron Barnes nagbabalik. Ang lakas ng araw. Regaliana. Umikot. Nag-jump. No good. Falling. Muntik na mga rebound. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Adam Smith with a clutch block on Chris Almoite. The score is 10 on the Hustlers and 7 on Pilipinas. Bagi. Cek. Let us resume the ball game. Red Bull. So. This second.
Reset.
Let's go, Shandy, the big, Miggy, the green. Binigay kay Jiwa, Miggy, Pumeto na 3. Malakas. Pilipinas ball. Pilipinas ball, ating pakinggan ng mga red. Faisal Moite, point guard. Binigay kay Elmer, 1, 2, pasa. Sponsor, player ganda. No good. Ada Miggy, 3. Malakas pa rin, hindi pa mainit. Jake. Elmer, 3. To Elmer. Teardrop. Lumitingin naman po yan. 4. to Sean. Miggy. Gusto na mag-free. Ayaw pa rin. 4 for 4. Elmer. Yung papatang ng bola, nabitawan. Substitution call. Pasok. Miggy out. Roll in.
Ano pa pala ko?
Three. No good. Lahat ang foul dinibigyan. Nagkaraw ang malambot. The Beard with the ball. To Borongo. Sumugod. Binigay kay Diwa. Diwa. Dinawala ng ring. Elmer. Diretso kay Colin. Colin. Shoot. No good. Nakuha ang bola. Tapik ni Colin. Borongo, 3.9, no good. Jake, rebound. Good in, sumugod, walang mahanap. Pinigay kay Polen, relax na relax. Polen with the undercut. Boleh. Borongo, pasok Diwa. Diwa, jump. Good. Chris, no good on jump. Back to Chris, to Elmer. No good. Ryan Borongo with the rebound. Bigay kay Clark. Sure, I hit. Bigay kay The Beard. The Beard to Diwa. Diwa, jump shot. No good. Diwa. 6 minutes remaining. Elmer. Ang ganda ng jogging. Yun na yung kanyang speed. Jake. No good on late. Diwa. Borongo, late good! Polen, naghahanap, back zero. Time! Pilipinas! Adam, don't take it. And don't pick your nose. Let's go! Carling Sana, lakad 2-0. God damn! God damn! I see you. Let's go! Inbound! Borongo, rebound, no good. Chabrizi. To Kamingal naghihintay, defended by The Beard. Chabrizi. To RB, Breezy. 1, 2, late, good. Kanya ng movement, masaya. Kaso. Making it loose. Bitawan ng bola. Binigay kay Dirk. Dirk, jump, blocked by Chabrizi. Labas kay Patrick. Time out, D. Hustlers. 13-14. Itu dan D. Hustlers. Siapa kay Alvin at James? Lakad panalo ah.
Babalik ako. Pwede balik ka.
Alam ko nakakita ka sa akin pero...
Tatuwag ko sa ka. Babalik na ako. Tatuwag ko lang tuwa.
Alain Castillo! Nakabura!
Ako lang si Kobe pag third quarter.
Wave check na Alain, wave check. Black ball for Preston. Let's go, RV to Kamigan. Falling. Sa 3-point line. From Malayo sa 3.
Mamaya sandali. Ito pa kaya, Ponso. Sunod yung
Substitution.
Pons. Stop.
Tumawag ng sub. Go, good. 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. RV to AJ, Pauling. Diretso, naganap. Alam na sa ilalim ng ring. Ball, lock. RV got the ball. AJ to Pauling. Nasama ng Milo. You're out of bounds, boy. Last 2 minutes. Dito lang ang ito. Rebound for Toronto. Masyadong masakit sa ilalim. Sabrini. Left. Serve by AJ. AJ na tayo. Sabrini po ba? Foul by Vito. Huwag tayo mag-dribble, please. So Breezy, second shot, no good. Patrick with the rebound. Substitution, Adam Dennis. Sub in. Sean, dribbling the ball. To Ryan Toronto, fake, jump, no good. Rebound, Patrick, foot back. Pasok! Patrick! Ang saya ng kanyang takbo. Baby shot. 24 seconds remaining. Coming out for 3. No good. Miss. Rebound. 20 seconds. Shandy. 15 seconds. Dirk Bissell on the ball. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, D1! Back! Pasok! It's counted. Half time. The score, 16-15. Isang laban ng D. Hustlers. Kasi, Red Bull naman. Hurtado in the ball. Shandy to Porongo. Ball tap. Foul ba yan, Pe? Foul, Jake Pegoriana. That is your third personal foul. You're not 18 yet and you're about to get your diploma. Shandy, no good at the jump. Rebound to Breezy. Long pass. Natapon ng Milo. Shandy. Taking the ball. Sean to Ryan Porongo for the jump. No good. Adam Smith got the ball somehow. No good for it. To Breezy. Laging pinatamaan ang mukha. Elmer, pag-ingal. JR, Tamayo, no good ang jump. Rebound to Breezy. Di pa rin pumasok. Masikip ang tingnan niya. Hurtado, long pass by Sean. Hurtado, nilabas by Porongo. Porongo, 1-2. Foul, Elmer, Calagistro. Thirty seconds on play. First shot, Porongo, no good. Kinulang ng mga 2 inches. Second attempt. Porongo, pakok. Ang second free throw. AJ, Elmer. Got it by Hurtado. The Breezy. Street, Elmer, Nikon, tabang kay AJ. AJ to Elmer, jump. No good. Rebound, Adam. Tabang kay Diwa. Hurtado, back pass to Diwa. No good. Hurtado, rebound. Pinagagawa ng bola. Naagad, nakuha. Will go for the ball. Seconds shot clock. Hurtado, jump shot. Pasok. Tatlo naman ng Atlas. Elmer. Jake Nagaliana outside AJ. AJ. Pumawi pa. 2 points. Kamingal. Adam nag-adjust ng headband. Adam, come on, stick your hair. Smith. Ryan Porongo to Adam. Natapon ng Milo. Pero ang bola, Diwa. Dinapasok ang bola. Ewan na ang bola. Pero nakuha ni Hurtado. Pinalon. Pasok. Honoring 2 points for Hurtado. Miriam Hurtado. Muntik ang tumalon. Elmer to AJ. It's a Breezy. Outside Hurtado. Natapik. Pilipinas ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Polling in. Chris in. Tamayo out. Elmer out. Jake, no good ang jump shot. Rebound to Breezy. Ni pass to Jake para ganado. Sean. Natapon ng Milo. Bigay sa isang Jake. Kutiwan. Nakagaling Toleng. Toleng. Mapita. Diretso. 2 points. Toleng D. Hurtado. Tabang bola to Sean. Sean to Porongo. Sayang. Ini kay Diwa, jump shot, pasok. Another 3 points for the others. After constant scoring, Poleng. Jump shot, pasok! Apat na nagawa ni Pauling sa quarter na to. Adam Smith, leading.
Time out pag dead ball. Pag nakashoot ko. Kabila ako.
Chris to AJ for Chris. Malakas, Chris, rebound. Sinusubukan sa loob. Masyado masakit. Sean, the beard, diretso, Tomorongo. Time out, Pilipinas! The score is 27-21. Lamang ang Huskers ng 6 na punto. Third quarter. Ball.
Barrio.
Thank you, Mr. Tornado. Yay! Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Very good. Pauling. Pauling. To Chris. Smith. Keeping touch. No good. To Aton, to Chanting, the big button for three. Paso!
Sub.
2 minutes remaining on the third quarter. Chase. Nakarelay, Chase, put back. 2 points for Chase. Friendly, Diana. Tuaton, break from 3 points. Bronco. Enough. Nag-jump, no good. Ay nagkaman. Bagsak ng Chris. Anyone to help? Pahingin po tayo ng first aid lesson. First aid lesson.
May bayad. Dalawang referee ko na to. Dalawang referee.
Warning for penalty ang Pilipinas team. Thank you sa ating mga first aiders. Red ball. Latos, nag-fake, nag-layup, no good. Rebound, Elbert. Pauling, kinuha ang bola, defended by Swanson. Elbert, nag-shot, ibigay kay Jane, natapit. We're going for red ball. Tumatakbo ang oras, 50 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Panawagan po si Jay Anak, replacing Parkinson. Seconds remaining. Right possession. Oh, narin po na. 18 seconds remaining. Sayang Borongo, naghahanap, nag-jump ng kalikot. It's good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The score counts. We're good. Elbow for the count. So good. Take rebound, foot back. And one. Thank you po kay Dayan Hurtado sa kanyang deep release anti-inflammatory gel. Leading for three, no good. And by Jake, screen by Adam. To Patrick to Adam. Binawa ng bola, Patrick. Good job, no good. Rebound, Polen. Polen to Jake. Polen on the 3-point line. And no good at Tony. Jake rebound to left. The breezy movement, spin, jump, foul on Adam Smith. Substitution call. Substitution in. Adam Smith, you have a total of 1 personal foul. Adam, they're asking how many fouls you have. Ain't that a bitch? To bring in for that is good. One more shot. Dahil sa violation na in-explain ni Kuya Ronaldo. Second shot, no good for it. Rebound, Chabrizi. Binigay kay Jake. No good. Sean, Samir, layup, Pumare. 2 points, Albert Alonso. Elmer, Chabrizi. Timeout. Hustler. Stop time po. Stop. 2 minutes stop time. 2 minutes. Apat na mo. Kaya stop time. Lahat. 2 minutes. He Hustler the mound. And the ball is live. The beer to Diwa. Kaya no good. Rebound pass ko. Binigay niya siya breathing. Long pass. All the way to Jake. Nakuha ni Adam. Nakuha ni Jake. Last good. 34-32. Shout out kay Mrs. Macalino. Sa pang-sandwiches. Sandi Setiwa Sitawan 6 minutes 9 seconds. Polen by Bagus. Polen ulimut bigay kay Elmer. Jump shot. No good. Rebound Bagus. Walking to the ball, naghahanap to Adam. Adam delay, no good. Unable to get a foul ball on the ground. Hurtado, no good on the jump shot. Rebound to Elmer. Falling to Jake for 3, all good.
Time out, dead.
Hurtado with the ball, deep pass on for 3, no good. Rebound, Falling, Bonto. To Helmer, sprinting, pinakamabilis na takbo na yan. Bumalik, pasok. The score is 34-all. Tablado po tayo. Suason with the ball. Binigay kay Diwa for jump. Begin. Rebound, sa Breezy.
Please, na timeout pa kayo?
4 minutes 30 seconds. Deal na bibigat, may kausap. Error, Sumane. Time out, call for them. Time out. Time out, Pilipinas. Sino nakapol? Ayan, sino nakapol? Pasok. Si Tuason, nakapol. Pasok. Nakapol. Saan pas tayo? 24. Isa lang foul si Tuason. Foul check. Tig-isang foul lang. Jake Magaliana, you still have 2 fouls left to get your diploma degree. Jake, keep fouling. Jake. First shot, very no good. Chuck, sinampo mo yung tabi. Elmer, second attempt, hindi pa rin pumasok. Sandy, gives the ball, jump in, fake, pass, Jason, fake, Jake, pinamaan ang bola, Jake, pwede pang Adam, all the way, no good, Rock under the pressure, Adam got that presence on him, Adam saying, not today, young lad. Rebound, Pilipinas ball. 35 seconds remaining. Alvin Villa nagmamasahe ang chest. Short bola.
Stop.
The beard. Pasortado. Substitution ball. Teka lang. Wait. Not yet. Diyan mo na, sabay. Pasok mo na. Okay, pasok mo. First shot, no good. Yan din na. Bawal. Second shot. Pagpasok ang second. Second shot is good. Substitution team. Bilis ang sub. Huwag ka maingay dyan ha. Wala. Panino for 3. Yes! Effective ang sigaw ni Jana Paminal. Pinabayaan na ang anak, pinamahanap si Enche. Porongo, nakikot, nakuha ang turn. Hurtado. To Smith, to Diwa, young shot. It's good. Turn it up and out. Time out. Di Hunter. Si Ate Maribel, nag-chill yung matulog sa Elmer. Ate Maribel, counted ko yung student. Lalagay ko na. Ayaw ko makita na lang yung Elmer, siya ng buhok yan. Tama na ang pahinga, laro na tayo. Next up, Green Monday, Red Wing versus Mandarigma. There you go, Ponso, player man lang. Yan ang parang kahapon, bigyan na laro ngayon. Pabago-bago mga line. Ba't umigay mo na yung green? Pulling the down over, the Grizzlies, magandang ng foul, no foul. Red ball. Sandin, scoring, double ng stroke. Hurtado, Bijan. Aiden Maria, nagawang bola, medyo mabayang pass. Jana pinatong si MJ. MJ, kembali Komunista. Mili Lamia. 10 seconds on the clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No good, no good. Hurtado. AJ, the ball. Tama daw. Sayang na hintay. AJ ng 3. The Grizzlies for 3 points. No good. Rebound. The Bears. Ayan, magkakaman bola. AJ. 1 minute, 15 seconds remaining. Falling. Tingin na talo. Time out the Break out! Jana gusto magpatulong ng bata pero masyado maingay! Nasanay sa ingay ni AJ. Nagpapatulong si Jana, si AJ nag-PlayStation. Pinatrasto pagkalaban niya sa COD.
Okay lang. Ikot-ikot natin.
Magwapang na po ang Green Minded versus Mandarigma. Mandarigma, may oras na kayo mag-lunch. Pwede pa kayo kumain, magpabusog po kayo. Mandarigma team, may pagkain na taas. Kain muna kayo. Adala. One minute goes the next break. Ate Yana, nakaready ang camera. Gustong puhunan ng galaw ni Kabisi. Yana.
10 seconds.
8, 7, 6. No good ang jump na yan. 54 seconds. Another 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8, 7, 5, 1.
Warning, warning. Warning.
Time out the Hustlers.
Sino ito yung foul kanina? Sino yung foul kanina?
Warning time. Tayo warning na kayo. Warning for penalty, the Hustlers. Warning for penalty, Pilipinas. 39-37, the score matches. Kuya Ricky, inato. Bigyan ng kape. Tama na ang pahinga. Gusto na maglaro ng pandirigma.
47 seconds.
47 segundo ang natira. 14 seconds ang shot clock. Elmer, that's the play. Elmer. Tupole, kabitawan ng bola.
Baba na, baba.
40 seconds remaining. Waffle with the ball. Anything goes. Matigil sa kalaban. 39-39. Falling ang bola. Bigay sa AJ. Magsasal. Gaya. Paso. Time out. No more timeout for the Hustlers. Pilipinas has one timeout remaining. 37-41, 26 seconds remaining.
Sila wala.
Wala na. Ate, yan na, tuwang-tuwa. Sabihin, hindi kami mga movement. Ate Jana, napakatulog ka. Nagpamaingay.
Pare.
Paalala lang po, kung may manalo, huwag kayo tapang mga baby nyo. Kuya Ricky!
Pare.
Kuya Ricky daw on the stand, please. Diwa, 33, masyadong again. Bola na bitawan, 80 seconds remaining. Sabri, fouled by Diwa. Timeout. Wala. Sorry. Penalty. Penalty. Wala na yung timeout. Tinami nila. Wala ka ng timeout po. Wala ka ng timeout. No more shot clock.
2 more.
Sabri for shot is good. Secure to win. Kung kaya ba. Last shot. 37-42. 60 seconds remaining. No good. Diwa, go. Shot. Nabikawan ang bola. Nawamulit. Shot. Tuwarang. Pero mabigat. Layup is good. 39-42. Time out Pilipinas. 39-42. 3 points. 3 points ang lamang. Sipot sa lamang. Mabigit masyado. Then wala. Kamalayan natin sir. Yes! Yes! Black ball possession.
Naglalaro ko eh.
Eto na, nagsisindikitan na sa mga play. The free now number 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is it. Pilipinas for the win, securing the spot for the semis. Well done. Yeah, 40 minutes. Mandirigma